Hi everyone! In today's video tutorial we would like to demonstrate how you can change the alarm sound on your iPhone 14 series device. So to start off, just open the list of alarms you have. Let me just set up some alarm to show you. Already in here, choose for which particular alarm you would like to change the tone. So I have only one, so not a lot of choice over here. Then tap on it. In here, just enter the sound section and choose what tone you would like to use. You can also pick some custom song from your Apple Music or the bought song from the iTunes, really. Enter the tone store. iTunes, as I mentioned. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching and bye bye.